Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic garden path, modern landscaping, stone pathway lined with gravel and large flagstones, vibrant orange and yellow flowers, lush green foliage, dark gray metal lattice fence, stone wall, trees and bushes, well-maintained lawn, a modern, contemporary house in the background, natural light, sunlit, clear day, peaceful and tranquil atmosphere, outdoor patio area, low stone retaining walls, small, rounded shrubs along the pathway, smooth transitions between materials, a small outdoor cooking area is visible, light gray retaining walls, a swimming pool is partly visible in the background. Elegant, hyper-realistic facade of a stately home. Beige/cream-colored stone pillars and a low stone wall, adorned with ornate, black wrought iron fencing. The wall is topped with decorative stone finials. Well-manicured, green hedges, topiary and small potted shrubs are meticulously arranged. A gravel driveway leads to the walkway, set against the backdrop of other homes in the residential area. The house features classic architectural elements, including columns and a porch. Focus on the detail of the stone, the metalwork of the fence, and the well-groomed greenery, with soft natural light highlighting the textures. Clear, bright daylight. Hyperrealistic outdoor garden scene, modern Mediterranean villa, stone pathway leading to a patio with lavender bushes, light gray stone paving stones, a stone retaining wall with light gray and beige stones, whitish pebbles, various green plants and bushes, lavender bushes in vibrant purple, olive trees, white modern house in the background, a wooden deck, light beige and white walls, light gray stone exterior, light tan wooden pergola, pale beige outdoor furniture, lots of natural light, sunny day, detailed textures of plants, stones, and paving, focal point on the lavender bushes, carefully designed landscape, Impressionist style lighting, soft shadows. Modern, meticulously landscaped backyard. Hyperrealistic style. A meandering pathway of dark gray flagstones and river rocks. Water feature with a shallow, flowing channel reflecting the surrounding foliage. Autumnal colors abound, ornamental grasses and plants in various shades of orange, brown, and green, contrasted with dark gray and brown stone walls and planters. A modern, dark gray and black contemporary home, visually integrated into the landscaping, with large windows overlooking the scene. Fall foliage, predominantly orange and yellow, creates depth behind the elements in the foreground. The sunlight is diffused, casting a soft ambience on the entire scene. Hyperrealistic garden path, autumn foliage, dark brown slatted fence, gray stone wall, a walkway of light gray flagstones winds through autumnal garden. Vivid fall colors of orange, yellow, and green foliage are interspersed with lush green shrubs and ferns. A dark brown, slatted fence with a geometric pattern runs along the wall. The fence has a base of dark gray stone. The walkway is wet with morning dew. The sunlight filters through the trees, creating warm, soft shadows. Detailed textures of the flagstones, plants, and stonework are prominent. Focus is on the details of the fence, the plants, and the path. A log cabin nestled in a forest during autumn. Hyperrealistic, mood-based scene of a rustic log cabin with a dark wooden exterior, nestled in a clearing surrounded by mature deciduous trees with vibrant orange, red, and yellow fall foliage. The light is soft and diffused, suggestive of an overcast day. The foreground features a stone wall fence, weathered in dark gray, with fallen autumn leaves scattered across the grassy yard. The cabin has a visible porch with wooden supports, and the windows show a gentle, warm light. The stonework around the foundation blends with the natural landscape. The colors are rich and warm, with muted tones of brown, orange, red, gray, and dark green. Hyperrealistic outdoor garden design, tiered stone walls, modern house in the background, autumn colors, gray stone retaining walls with dark gray/charcoal stone, layered stone walls with varied heights and textures, creating planters and steps. Plants include autumn leaves, colorful flowers, pink, yellow, orange, red, green grasses, and shrubs. Modern architecture with large windows, natural light, wooden accents on the house. Shallow depth of field, focusing on the stone wall and plants in the foreground, while the house and trees in the background are slightly out of focus, warm autumn light and colors. Modern rustic outdoor patio, hyperrealistic, large open-air structure with a dark gray metal framework and walls of reclaimed wood and stone, warm brown wood decking, various potted plants, comfortable dark gray outdoor furniture, greenery, pathways of flagstone, warm golden light, fire pit, sliding glass walls, lush trees and landscaping, rustic chic aesthetic. Interior view through sliding glass walls towards a living area with a TV and seating area, warm neutral colors of wood, stone, and earth tones, shadows and textures. Modern farmhouse exterior, hyperrealistic, large wooden deck with dark gray stone pillars, a paved walkway with alternating dark gray and reddish-brown rectangular pavers leads through landscaped gardens, full of greenery and shrubs, a variety of plants, including rounded green bushes and leafy plants, leading to a wooded background with tall trees, warm natural light, rich browns and dark grays, with accents of orange/rust color in the paving stones, stone retaining walls, gravel around the paved walkway, a covered porch, large windows, and a natural wood exterior, detailed landscaping, high-resolution, photorealistic, outdoor scene. Photorealistic, garden scene. A light gray/off-white picket fence, with decorative top rails, stands between a walkway and a house with dark gray siding. Colorful fall foliage, including red maples, yellow trees, and various shades of red, orange, and burgundy plants, fills the garden bed in front of the fence. Ground cover and small evergreen shrubs are also present. The garden bed is bordered by a low stone wall filled with gravel and rocks. A paved walkway runs along the left side of the image. The house is in the background, partly visible through fall foliage. Warm autumnal colors, with a mix of greens, reds, and yellows dominate the scene. Photorealistic garden fence, stone pillars, climbing vines, flowers, soft sunlight, wooden fence, muted grayish-blue wooden fence, stone pillars with irregular gray stones, vibrant climbing vines in shades of green, pink, and orange/yellow flowers, slightly out of focus background of garden and trees, impressionistic bokeh effect on trees and background, gentle sunlight illuminating the scene, shallow depth of field focusing on the fence and flowers, detailed textures in the stone and vines, morning or late afternoon light, grass and other plants at the base of the fence and in the background. Hyperrealistic landscape, modern garden path, pathways made of weathered, dark gray stone plank set in a bed of various sized, dark gray river stones. A modern home with a dark brown, wood-paneled exterior, is situated at the beginning of the path. The path leads through a well-maintained garden with a variety of trees, some with yellow autumnal foliage, lush greenery, and low, carefully trimmed hedges. Several spherical, rusty brown metal sculptures are strategically placed throughout the garden. The overall color palette is a mix of deep grays, browns, and muted greens, with hints of yellowish foliage. Plenty of natural light, sunny day. Photorealistic, a well-maintained backyard landscape design. Wooden lattice fence with a light brown stain, arranged in a grid pattern, sits in front of a modern house with a stone facade. Autumn colors in the trees, with oranges, yellows, and reds. Layers of stone retaining walls, dark gray gravel beds, and green grass and landscaping plants. Detailed planting beds, low maintenance edging. A pathway winding through the garden. Soft lighting. Balanced composition, showcasing the architectural details of the house. House with black metal fence and gate, autumnal colors, a modern, stone-faced house with a dark gray or black roof, featuring a black metal fence with arches, surrounding a gravel driveway. Fall foliage in warm oranges, reds, and yellows are visible in the background. The house is of a modern, Craftsman style with stone accents and dark trim. Hyperrealistic, detailed rendering of the stonework, plants, and fence. Gravel driveway leading to the house, with large rocks and landscaping framing the entrance. Various shades of brown, gray, and dark greens in the foliage and the surrounding landscape. Hyperrealistic garden path with wooden slatted fence, stone garden walls, lush greenery, and dappled sunlight. A winding stone path leads through a garden, lined with low-lying greenery and a modern wooden slatted fence. The fence has horizontal wooden slats, and dark metal supports. Stone walls, constructed of mixed earthy tones, flank the path, featuring varying textures and patterns in the stone. The path is made of large, irregular flagstones in muted grays and browns, showing some variation in color and tone. The greenery includes various shades of green, from vibrant to deep, with different textures of grasses and plants. Photorealistic garden path, Zen garden, dark gray paving stones, a pathway lined with dark gray stones, intermixed with smooth dark gray pebbles, leading through a lush garden. The garden features a wooden slat fence, dark brown, woven, creating a screen amidst the greenery. The fence is bordered by various plants, including shrubs and trees, creating a sense of depth and lushness. Several large, dark gray, rounded rocks or decorative pots are strategically placed along the pathway and against the fence. Soft, warm lighting suggests a sunny day. Small, dark green bushes and shrubs are interspersed throughout.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:/DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.